Now you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn fitness into your home. Introducing the new Schwinn 270 Recumbent bike. It blends an intuitive design with user-friendly technology to make your cardio workout smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable. The new 270 makes your workout smarter thanks to a sleek new console that's loaded with features like Bluetooth connectivity, which instantly syncs your time, distance, calories, and heart rate with our free Schwinn Trainer app. You can seamlessly connect your workout results to your favorite apps. And with 29 preset fitness programs and 25 levels of resistance to choose from, challenge and motivation are right at your fingertips. With the new 270, your workout feels smoother because Schwinn quality and comfort are built right in. Solidly constructed from the ground up, it features a walk-through base, upgraded pedals with wider platforms and foot straps, and a padded seat with ventilated back and lumbar support. Plus, its high-speed, high-inertia drive system makes for easy startup and quiet, consistent workouts. With the 270's dual backlit LCD displays, you can keep an eye on your progress while reading a book, listening to music, or watching a movie, and stay fully charged thanks to its built-in USB port. With the addition of Bluetooth, the new 270 is VR compatible, opening up a whole new 3D virtual world to explore without ever leaving your home. All of which makes your workout more enjoyable. The new Schwinn 270 Recumbent bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn fitness for the good life.